So I went through all my listings, and this week last year I cleaned up Valentine's Day in Adamstown, which is why I'm here. So far, like I said, I'm only looking for Valentine's Day or the uber unique. I've passed up on a lot of stuff that I could easily double my money on that I normally would have grabbed on another day. But this time of year, I'm so picky, and I'm so excited to go through this place. It is my favorite by far. We love it. It was the Crazy Doodad place not that long ago. We scored on Christmas. Hopefully we'll score here on Valentine's Day. So even though it wasn't that long ago on YouTube, it's been weeks since I was here last. Now a lot has changed. It looks like they do have some Valentine's Day cards and stuff, but I'm looking for more Valentine's Day ceramics or candy boxes. This is like one of my favorite booth vendors here, the little new old stock. The snowman is absolutely adorable, but it's a little too fragile for me and priced somewhat accordingly. Of course, you know, I love these snowman picks. Oh, they're not the ones I thought they were actually. And I've had that before. So far, nothing here. So this is a first. I anticipated that this would be my biggest spend. But so far, I'm found absolutely nothing downstairs, which has never happened. And I'm already headed up to the second floor. What is this belt? How freaking neat is that? I know I'm not supposed to be shopping for myself, but I'm gonna see how this works on myself. When it says extra small, that is no joke. Putting that back. That is a super pretty Blendo set. I have a set like this, except with bigger glasses in green, this great lime color that Jocelyn gave me. So it's pretty clear that almost all the vendors have been in, because everything's changed or moved around in every booth I've been in so far. But not a lot that I'm seeing that's, of course, you know, I love the pajama bag, but these, the pajama bags sell all right for me, but this kind of sleeping baby thing I've had so many times, and I still have a few sitting online. I'm very afraid that I'm too early this year for Valentine's Day, and I might have to come back, because this is unusual. Last year, there was so much Valentine's. I'm super into this cat fan, though. Wow, that's really cool. Aw, cute little pink elephant patch. So maybe Valentine's Day is, like, called off this year, because this is all different than it was last time. And I feel like they would have put Valentine's Day up, because the past couple of years, this is where I've gone. Just, I'm sure everyone's like, I feel like, if you've ever seen Pee-wee's Playhouse and they say the word of the day, everybody screams. I feel like that's how everyone feels when I say Valentine's Day right now. Let's see what's going on in here. Lots of cute stuff. Oh my gosh, I love this hat so much. What's this? Headband. It's real fur too. That is adorable. It's a little bit more than I'd like to spend though. Definitely a first. I'm going back down to the other half of the first floor with my hands empty for the first time ever. I do love that duck right there, the cardboard one. Now, this is definitely one of those places where you really have to pay attention to detail, but I'm just not seeing it, you guys. I mean, of course, this set is great. It is a better selling one, but I've had it a couple times. Frosty tumblers, that's a really fun package. I love that Art Deco silhouette picture. Oh my gosh, and the clocks are so fantastic. Back to one of my favorite doodad cases. I definitely cleaned up here last time. I love the blow mold Easter, but again, they're right at retail, especially the one with the chick in the cart. I'm just not seeing it, you guys. I mean, obviously there's a lot of great stuff, but nothing that's screaming for me to take it today. I spoke too soon. You'll never believe what happened. As soon as I was walking out, I was like, you guys, I left empty-handed. This is insane. A vendor was bringing in these little candy containers. Now, I got 4 of them for $20, which is insane. So, big score there, and I'm going to keep going and head down the road. We are back at Heritage Antique Center. I scored big here last time when everything was closed. They stayed open, thank goodness. I'm still looking for the Uber Unique or Valentine's Day. Let's go in and see what they've got since we've been here last. Lots of cute little funky things in this little doodad case. I always find stuff here. I love this, but that material, the foil, is really easily breakable. I try to stay away from it. And of course the sheep, oh my gosh, but 110. I like that stocking too, the little angels, and of course the bone china nursery, very close to retail, the spun chicks, this huge box of angel ornaments. Lots of fantastic stuff, but nothing in this case that I'm gonna grab today. Look at this strange thing. It's probably expensive. 75, yes, very. I love the little nursery rhyme tin, $60, good grief. I love this funny little rubber doll, but I can't pay $35 for that. I don't think it, oh no, it does kind of work, not really. Once again, empty-handed. Now, some might think I'm frustrated at this point, but I'm not, honestly, because I want to go to as many places as possible today. I told you, I'm stoked that it's not even 11 o'clock. I'm gonna head down the road. I'll see you guys at my next stop. I've just arrived at Adamstown Antique Mall. I have a super bad habit of buying really big items I don't need for myself here. I'm gonna try and be good. Of course, since I just moved, you know, I'm on the hunt for a few special things. Oh my gosh, this freaking raccoon with the blue eyes. Hilarious, and it's incredibly well priced at like $120 or whatever. This thing's wild. Okay, but I definitely don't need that. Gosh, they have such unique items here. And of course that giant wreath is incredible. Oh my gosh, look at the horse, and I don't need that. Wait, does it say $10? Now you can see why I have a bad habit of buying things I don't need for myself here. Dude, I kind of want to get this and put it on Marketplace. How damaged is it? It's paper mache. Oh, I'm gonna think about that actually. I love all these letters and numbers, so fun. That's pretty neat too. Gosh, what's going on over here? This is incredible, the human spine disorders poster. Oh, and of course you have to remember to look up here, like whatever that is, some kind of bone. That yard chair's fun. I'm still kind of having a hard time getting over this horse. I'm gonna double check the price one more time because I'm like, there's no way that's $10, right? I think I missed a zero. I had to have. No, it does say $10. All right, I'm gonna keep looking because I feel like that's how it starts. It gets weird quick. It's all downhill from the first weird thing I buy. Speaking of weird. This is kind of wild. Whatever's going on here. I don't know why I'm getting such a kick out of the Charlie McCarthy wearing this I Love Mommy sweater. This booth is my kryptonite. I always see something I want. Now I have bought one incredibly expensive painting here before. Oh my gosh, I love the zippy monkey. It's a little pricey though. So many unique items, all definitely expensive. These are amazing, these fruits. Like literally, look at that Puss in Boots. Oh my gosh, it's $3.25. It's incredible though. Oh, this place is seriously, oh my gosh. Look at what's happening over here. Wait, let me not skip things. The lamp, what? This is gonna be extremely expensive, I already know. $2.95, actually not as bad as I thought. This is amazing. Oh my gosh, the Farga girl. Now, okay, this cat is so fantastic. Oh, $175, wow, that is fantastic. And I love the holiday mail snowman. And I don't even want to look over here. I know, that bunny. Look at the janitor hat. Like, what? That is so awesome. Paper mache crocodile. I love whatever this case is. $15 box. Oh my gosh, that's so fun. It's a little bit big. I'm gonna pass on it. I bought a pretty incredible sewing box earlier this week. I think that's, gosh, what unique stuff. Love coming here. Like, what's happening here with this mummy? That's so weird. Oh, I thought it was rubber at first. I like turned my camera on getting ready to scream, but it is a hobbyist ceramic piece. I can see where my head's at. I'm ready to find something now. Is that ponytail I see? Oh my gosh, it is. How sweet. It's in relatively poor condition, I'd say, but spectacular nevertheless. Let's see. Might take two hands to do this. Hold on. So unfortunately, I don't see a price on it. Honestly, this is something I would get for myself if it was cheap enough, even though it's got the damage. The record tote is $48, so I'm just gonna assume that even though this isn't priced, it's more than I'd like to spend in that condition. Now, I have gotten a bunch of really nice Valentine's Day handkerchiefs here before. They're usually pretty organized. Let's see, here we go. This is all that's left of this stack. $4 for the Cupid one, which I think I actually have that in stock right now. $4 for this one. And then this one, $4. This one, $4 too. Let's see. They're very cute. This is kind of what I'm looking for. They usually sell pretty quick. 4, 8. Do I have this one? Let me look on my stock. That's pretty bad. I can't remember. So it actually did sell. So 4, 8, 12. This will be probably at least $12 a piece, easy. The other one that I kind of couldn't help but notice is the one with the snowmen on it. For $4, I'm gonna grab that one too. This one's very pretty with hearts, but I'm not that crazy about it. Let me make sure I'm not missing anything else while I'm in here. I can do this pretty quick because I've been through this stack so many times that it's kind of easy to tell when there's a new one like this. This was not here. This is so cute. $4. Be mine to you. We're gonna get that too. Handkerchiefs. I love a unique handkerchief as long as it's in good condition, because also they're really easy to ship. Oh my gosh, and this one with the candy canes. I'm gonna not get that one though because it's not all the way around. The holly berry's nice, but again, I'm looking for very specific things. I'm trying not to get too crazy. I could easily pick up at least 10 of these. These are all not holiday. Yeah, the holiday and the children's ones are really the only ones I pick up. What is it? What is that actually? Oh, it's a duck. I've had that one before. I love whatever this funky gold dress is. That's amazing. Definitely don't need that though, but I do need to find out what the orange polka dots is. That is for a very small child. Just kidding. And this is like a long maxi dress on a normal sized human, me being 5'1", way too big for me. That was a great one, especially because it's gonna be so easy to ship and double my money on those items. So far, I've only spent $82. Now I'm gonna go across to the Mad Hatter. Wish me luck that I don't do anything too crazy here.